Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says simplify the parentheses. Now if there is a parenthesis 7 plus 3, and after calculating we'll get 10 as a result. According to this step, brackets have the highest priority in BODMAS and we must start with the innermost set. And now the current expression becomes 70% of. So now the current expression become, according to the second step, we solve curly braces. According to the curly braces, we just multiply the digits and after multiplying we get 600. According to this step, move outward to the next set of brackets and current expression becomes 70% of square bracket 500 minus 600 square bracket of plus 8 square minus 4 cube. Now the move next step, simplify the square brackets. According to the square bracket, we must subtract. Now after subtracting, we'll get the answer in negative because the larger digit has a negative sign. According to this step, complete the final layer of brackets before handling the outer terms. And now the current expression becomes 70% of square bracket minus 100 plus 8 square minus 4 cube. Now move to the next step. Solve the of and order exponents. Now there is a 8 square and 4 cube. Now calculate first 70% of minus 100 and then 8 square and then 4 cube. Now 70% multiply minus 100. So according to this we'll get answer minus 70. Now according to 8 square it will get 64 and 4 cube you will get 64. So now according to this step, after brackets of and par must be evaluated and now the current expression becomes minus 70 plus 64 and minus 64. Now you can cut the values, plus and minus the same values will be, can cut it down, or addition subtraction is the last step, calculated from left to right. So now minus 70 plus 64 minus 64, cut it down and we'll get answer minus 70. This is the final result. According to this step, execute the basic addition and subtraction to finish this expression. And now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the definite value of this expression is minus 70, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.